I just finished making this little orb whatever thing. I'm calling him Mimir, and I wanted to show you how I did this. It is literally 1:30 in the morning on a Sunday night. I washed my sheets, haven't made my bed yet since I've been working on this so long, and I have to work in like 6 hours in the morning. But hopefully I can tell you guys how I did this and it would be helpful. So my original inspiration was this UI bits thing that I stumbled upon with some examples of like AI user interfaces, and I was like, this kind of looks cool. And in the past I've used shaders and GLSL to do some similar stuff, so I was like, okay, this seems like the right path. And then I stumbled upon this demo from Bruno Simon, who is an amazing person that's like audio reactive, who actually has this course called 3JS thing, not sponsored at all, but actually I did pay for this like 4 years ago when I was in school still, and like that's how I became familiar with 3JS, so I do recommend this. So I took his code from that and basically like stripped it down into like just what I needed, and then fed that into Google Gemini and was like, hey, can you create this in Threalt, which is what my website's built on. It's their like version of a 3JS package to make it a little bit easier. And it spit out some code that like actually mostly worked with some like slight tweaks. And so that became this code. It's like this is my PR up I have. Basically I'm just importing Threalt, and then just to make the final thing smaller. And then it's just like I have the fragment shader, and then this is really it. It's got all the animation stuff, and then the actual stuff is just this like mesh with the sphere and this shader material. And then I put it in, and that gives me this little guy. So I still need to figure out how I'm gonna use him in the website. Right now I just have him there just as like a proof of concept. My thinking is like anytime there's like an AI interaction or like insights that I'm generating, I want it to be like coming from Mimir, so it kind of like personifies or objectifies, I don't know, it sounds bad, but like has like a character associated with the insights you're getting. So that'll like first be in like the onboarding section. It would be like more like you're having a conversation with Mimir rather than just like answering questions, which I think will help to like personalize it more or like humanize it more. And then yeah, it'll just be like your little companion in like you setting your goals and tracking your habits. So I'm launching this in a couple of weeks. I'm working on this for the past couple of months, but yeah, this year, check it out soon.